Hello everyone, welcome back to Drone Labs. Today we are going to review this radio controller. It's RadioMaster Pocket. It's very solid design and lightweight compact design. Before diving in, please hit the subscribe button so that you will never miss any review. Here is the RadioMaster Pocket ELRS, and this one is charcoal color. It's only 288 grams and EdgeTX operating system, operating frequency 2.4 GHz. It supports ELRS 2.4 GHz. Wow, it's very lightweight, portable, lightweight, convenient to carry everywhere, and it feels very solid in my hand. This is the antenna. Foldable antenna. This is the gimbal. Removable stick, aluminium, and it's the whole gimbal. Smooth, it's very smooth and very responsive. It's not potentiometer gimbal, it's whole gimbal. All gimbals, it means that there is a magnetic field here. At the top, here I have two source locking switch. Here is the 3-position switch, 3-position switch, and the Type-C port for connecting with the PC. You can use this with the PC. Here I have one drag wheel and one momentary switch which can use for the beeper. Is the micro SD card and the charging port. This is the battery compartment. Here I have two 18650 battery for power of the controller.